visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So tingnan natin yung mga nangyayari sa paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. Gusto ko rin pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito nakita, the reading is meant to find you, no? So I am seeing the Maiden of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Harudul. So nakikita natin dito na parang sabihin nating gusto uling mag-take ng action itong person na ito, no? And you feel like gagawin din naman niya. So nagkaroon lang kayo ng konting, pwede natin sabing separation, ng konting hindi magandang ugnayan, no? Siguro for some reason naunsyame itong inyong dapat na pagkikita, pagsasama, but with the High Priestess, parang sinabi mo, hinayaan ko lang or hinayaan ko na rin kasi alam ko hindi rin naman ito yung time, dadating din naman yung time na magkikita kami, darating din naman yung time na babalik siya sa akin, and I know that this is going to happen. Malakas ang aking pakiramdam, no? With the Temperance and the Sovereign. Uy, pero puro major arcana to, no? So I feel like this has something to do with the greatest, it could be the greatest love, it could be a great experience that probably didn't happen for a reason, pero it felt like parang nagbubukas yung door, no? So parang ginawa mo dito is, sige, hinayaan na lang kita muna. I focused, no, sa aking sarili. Tinignan ko muna kung ano yung pwede ko ring i-improve sa sarili ko. Pwedeng this is in physical or probably in career ko. Tinignan ko rin, no? Doon ako nag-focus. And I feel like medyo nag-i-improve na nga, no? Either your physical, your career, your finances. Hindi ka masyado nag-entertain ng ibang tao. You probably just waited. Ang maganda kasi sa ginawa mo dito is, while you are waiting, hindi ka lang yung nakatanghod. You're waiting for someone to return, yet you're also improving yourself. No? Parang sinasabi mo dito, mas pagbalik niya, mas gusto ko mas ma-impress siya sa akin, no? Apart from them, ginawa ko rin to sa sarili ko. Kaya bumalik siya at hindi, alam ko nag-i-improve ang buhay ko. Alam ko nag-i-improve yung sarili ko. So, parang sinasabi mo dito, gift ko yun sa sarili ko, no? Gift ko sa sarili ko na bigyan ng upgrade, no? Ang aking buhay, ang aking sarili. With the Void and the Moon card. So parang hindi mo na rin, I don't know kung naging super busy ka sa buhay mo dahil nga nakafocus ka sa sarili mo. Pero nakakita din tayo dito na kasi with the Moon card, parang bigla na lang, you know, si person bigla nag-show up and you're probably surprised, no, na, wait, sandali. I didn't see that coming, no, or probably ang bilis naman, no? Ang bilis naman ng pagbalik niya, ang bilis naman ng ang bilis nung kanyang parang kumakatok na lang ito bigla tapos nandiyan na siya. Parang sandali parang sana pasintabi ka muna. Sana sinabi mo sa akin na you're coming, na you're about to go back to my life, return to my life, para at least Although ready ako sa sarili ko, ayoko kasi nabibigla, may mga gano'n, 'no? With the Lust, the Four of Wands, and the Five of Wands. Ang masakit dito, mali yata ako nasasabi, either may nagugustuhan ka ng iba or may kumakausap sa'yo, kahit sinabi kong ayaw mong mag-entertain. Kasi parang sinabi mo, kahit nag-aantay ako, I don't wanna limit myself. So, parang gano'n. I don't wanna close my door to someone. Ngayon siguro ang masakit nito, hindi naman masakit. Ang nangyayari kasi dito, may lumalapit na sa'yo, lumalapit din siya. So, ganda, 'no? Parang feeling mo, may ipit yata ako sa, dalawang bato na hindi ko kayang i-balance, 'no? So, with the five of I think that it's either you place this person in a competition or puwede rin natin sabihin na baka na nagkaroon ito ng sense of urgency kasi, parang napansin niya na you are opening your doors, 'no, to someone new. So, parang medyo yata na-threatened itong taong ito or puwede din nating sabihin na kung hindi siya na-threatened, um, baka ito din yung naisip niyang right time, 'no, to, approach you, right time to sabihin nating make a move and, yeah, consider the return, 'no, consider giving this connection another chance with the Two of Cups and the Witch of Swords. So nakikita natin dito na meron talagang sense of urgency. I don't know what happened to this person. Yung parang bigla niyang pagkawala, yun naman din yung bigla niyang pagbalik. May sense dito of sense of urgency na na-realize niya na mahal ka niya kasi with the Two of Cups, na-realize niya na dapat sineseryoso niya itong relationship na ito or yung connection ninyo. With the 10 of Pentacles and the 9 of Pentacles, yeah, nakakakita tayo dito ng offers, no, kay person. Hindi lang ito basta offers, meron din itong mga actions, meron din itong investments, no. Talagang ibubuhos niya ngayon kasi with the 10 of Pentacles, ibubuhos niya ngayon yung kakayahan niya, no? Either kakayahan niyang pasagutin ka, kakayahan niya na ipakita sa'yo yung kaya niyang gawin, yung pwede niyang i-offer, yung yaman niya, baka willing din itong spend, no, ng money for you para lang makuha ka uli. So this is your reading. Check natin yung zodiac sign pero bago po yan, kung gusto niyo pong ma-shoutout, no, please comment sa comment section yung name and place ninyo. And let's check, no, ako kayo'y nakaka-resonate, let me know din sa comment section. Yeah, if you have some personal question, meron po dyan sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check now the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Virgo, Gemini, Cancer. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Aries. I'm seeing did I just mention Virgo? Yes, Capricorn is here. Sagittarius is dominant in Aries, Taurus as well, Aries, and Pisces. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want